I miss my DJ. 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 I'm on some live shit, strictly representing, nothing is forbidden. How I'm living, one day at a time. Watch me lead and you follow. I might live for today, but gotta be prepared for tomorrow. Need money of my own, none to borrow. When my performance is completed, the audience screams bravo. That nigga Q live, bro. I fight and strive though, it's going slow. Soon to be nationwide on the flow. Much love for Italiano, Kevin Galgano. Good things come in time, it's all reality I explain through a rhyme. A white father, black mother made me colorblind. I reach your mind, let my words put motivation in your heart. Ain't no stopping once I start. Not the smartest, never understood what makes you the hardest. Avoid the wildness, still down for mine regardless. Check it, take focus, I'm kinda irritable when I'm smokeless. Drop down like I'm the dopest. Days of feeling hopeless are over. Like Big Boy said, hot days are better than sober ones. I've seen brothers work for crumbs, no dope, no funds, just to eat. My peeps roam the streets with their guns, trying to hustle, making the best out of the struggle. But keep the faith, 'cause Q and God loves you. The going gets tough, I'ma stand my ground. Speak the truth, that will stand profound. What you know about Motown, what you know about the ROC? I got boys citywide that represent me, When the going gets tough, I'ma stand my ground. Speak the truth, that will stand profound. What you know about Motown, what you know about the ROC? I got boys citywide that represent me. When the going gets tough, I'ma stand my ground. Speak the truth, that will stand profound. What you know about Motown, what you know about the ROC? I got boys citywide that represent me. I get you high with doses of real and fatties of herb. I display skills that'll leave you hanging on my every word. Some people call me Q, some call me Q Bird. My story went unheard, 'cause I guess I wasn't talking loud enough. Now they all mad because I'm proud and stuff. Not living by the expectations, I have to learn from the situation I'm in. They don't believe in my dedication to win. They don't believe that there's life in my pen. It's what helps me let the freedom man live again. The flow's simplistic, but most can't comprehend. I don't like the mixed signals they send. The truth did more than bend. My raps are never for pretend, but for goals that were set. For the promise I made not to live with any regrets. Take home what's next. I want a relationship with a girl that goes deeper than just sex. A sincere bond that proves that we both care. Seeking nothing but happiness in everything we share. Be there to wipe the tears when I'm missing my peers. Looking back on the years that flew by, I can't love her like she needs to be loved, because she's too high. It makes me wanna cry. I often ask God why, and do I have a chance to achieve? He said, of course, if you believe in me and keep your faith in what you plan to be. Set your soul free, say what you have to say, 'cause people listen when you speak. Stay strong for the weak, your girl is a freak. She wasn't true to you, Q, and neither was the majority of your crew. Everybody out for something, keep it real when they keep frontin', 'cause they gaining nothing. Different strokes for different folks. Spread your love to the ones who are close. Represent what you love most. Your voice will be heard from coast to coast. I'm glad you didn't put your life in your own hands. Just talking to Big Phil and Jay, they both say stick with the plan. A gun, jail time, or a sack doesn't make you a man. They say they down with you forever, dead or alive. Real partners come together, it can only get better. Stay proud, stay proud. When the going gets tough, I'ma stand my ground and speak the truth that will stand profound. What you know about Motown, what you know about the ROC? I got boys citywide that represent me. When the going gets tough, I'ma stand my ground and speak the truth that will stand profound. What you know about Motown, what you know about the ROC? I got boys citywide that represent me. I miss my DJ. 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 I love you, boy. Freedom man, freedom. Freedom man in this bitch. Freedom man in this bitch. Beaver land in this bitch. CC in this bitch. Fritz Dog in this bitch. QBZ in this bitch. Big Phil in this bitch. Big Phil in this bitch. Joy Road in this bitch. 7 Mile in this bitch. 11 Mile in this bitch. Q is in this bitch. I miss my DJ. 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 I miss my DJ.